Hey folks, I'm here with another unboxing. This is the TAGRY, T-A-G-R-Y, H08, model H08 active noise canceling headphones. This will be another one in my series of headphones. Let me open that out a little bit for you. Headphones under $100. So it's got some stiff competition. Let's open it right up. That's exactly how it came. Here's a user manual. Nothing's been opened before now. Here is a soft, sort of microfiber feeling carrying pouch. And there's the headset. We have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter stereo cable. These are really going out now, but you know, this is if you want to run it wired. We have the charging USB A to C charging cable. And the headphones themselves. They look nice. Let me put the box aside. So what do we have? We have the headphones, shiny. Obviously they're folding, at least folding in. Pull them out. Nice click to it. Nice stiff headband extension on both sides. This is the left side as is marked inside. The right side, all of the controls and the audio cable. Some headsets have the audio cable on one side and the rest on the other, but the 3.5 millimeter, the USB-C charging, the plus, so this will be volume up, volume down, and in the power in the middle, and this will be also forward and reverse, play next, and the automatic noise canceling, the active noise canceling button here. So that's about the size of it. Top of the headband is spongy, feels solid, like it will sit on your ears. These feel comfy. So I'm going to take you through the paces. I'm going to listen to them, and then I'll tell you what I think. And you can check the review soon using the link in the description of this video. TAGRY, T-A-G-R-Y, model H08, active noise canceling headphones.